Accounting equation and Excel. Receive payment form. Get ready and some coffee because we're learning the accounting foundation, the accounting equation in Excel. Here we are in Excel. If you don't have access to this workbook, that's okay because we basically built this from a blank worksheet but started in a prior presentation. So if you want to build this entire worksheet from a blank sheet, you might want to begin back there or just create your own worksheet as we move forward from here, or possibly just follow along with good old paper and pencil. If you do have access to this workbook though, there's currently 3 tabs down below. Example, practice blank, example, in essence, the answer key. The practice tab having pre-formatted cells so you could practice the practice problem with less Excel formatting. The blank tab is where we started with a blank sheet, but now working in essence with our template, adding to the template as needed as we go. Let's go to the example tab to get an idea of what we will be doing this time. We're looking at a receive payment form. Now that's the terminology often used in accounting software such as QuickBooks to record a transaction for a receipt of a payment from a customer on account. In other words, it's a transaction where we did work or services, goods or services in the past, invoiced the client, increased in the IOU account, accounts receivable, and now are receiving payment on that. Remembering one of the major components and difficulties today is the terminology. So if you're working in a textbook,